Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the PowerVolt PD60. This is a USB power delivery multi-device charger. Here it is right here. It fits in the palm of my hand, so it's great for travel. 60 watts out of that one port, has flip-out wall prongs right there, secures back in for easy storage. This will do up to 60 watts, and what's great is it can charge a Macbook Pro 13-inch M1. It can also power up your iPad Pro 12.9-inch, the latest version, and of course the new iPhone 14 Pro Max all the way down to even the iPhone 10, or if you have it still, an iPhone 6s Plus. So this will charge so many devices, PC, laptops, Chromebooks, so many things, smart home devices as well, but it has 60 watts, so that's a lot of power coming out of there in this one smaller charger. And they have a braided cable, which we'll show in a future video from Scosche. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up